Many things contribute to life on earth, but the most important contributing structures are the chloroplasts, right? And these chloroplasts are actually helping the plants to carry out the process of photosynthesis. You see these oval shaped structures which are moving inside the cells, and these structures are nothing but the chloroplast. These actually are the site of photosynthesis reaction. So when the photons of light actually enter these stat-like structures which are known as grana, these structures contain special structure which are going to lead to the process of photosynthesis. So this process of photosynthesis which takes place over here in chloroplast accounts for the life on earth actually. How it accounts for life on earth? Because if there will be chloroplast, there is going to be photosynthesis. If the plants have their food by photosynthesis process, then only the plants are going to be there on this earth, and if the plants will be there, then only we are going to be here. So for all life, not only for us, for all life forms, plants are an integral part. So for plants to survive, for the plants to carry out photosynthesis, to prepare their food, these chloroplasts are very, very important and necessary, of course. So these structures are the chloroplast structures. So let's actually thank chloroplasts, because of these structures, these chloroplasts, life on earth has been possible. Now after this, we'll be starting with chloroplasts in greater detail.